One of the biggest catalysts that a cryptocurrency can have is an ETF. Now, an ETF is going to bring institutional buyers, yes, but it's also going to bring a lot of retail investors who would otherwise not know how to buy cryptocurrency or not want to learn how to buy cryptocurrency or just simply not want to own it on the blockchain. They would rather own it and feel more secure on a stock exchange. Well, ETFs could be coming for Ripple's XRP, and it could be first in line ahead of Dogecoin and Solana. Let's talk about why, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro, and as you can see, we've got some very good news for Ripple's XRP. It says XRP could be the next big cryptocurrency to get a spot ETF approved in the United States, even before coins like Solana or Dogecoin, according to a crypto research firm. The report published on Monday said that XRP and Solana have the deepest 1% market depth on trusted exchanges. This means both tokens have enough activity and liquidity in the market to handle big trades without prices going crazy. However, between the two, XRP has recently pulled ahead. Since the end of 2024, XRP has passed Solana in liquidity and now has twice as much as Cardano's ADA. Although some tokens, such as Litecoin, have very similar consensus mechanisms to Bitcoin and share similarities to commodities, could also have a clear path forward to approval, the analyst says. Bitcoin ETF was approved after a legal fight involving Grayscale and the SEC, which showed that the SEC was being unfair in how it handled different types of ETFs. While BlackRock came up with the rock-solid filings to get approval for their iShares Bitcoin ETF fund. XRP, however, follows a different story. XRP does not have a strong futures market, and most of its trading outside the US. But even so, XRP's US trading strategy has recently gone way up, the highest it's been since 2021. Now, guys, what all this boils down to is an acceptance and an embracing of the cryptocurrency space like we have never seen before. I don't know if XRP is going to come before Solana, going to come before Dogecoin, or what the order is going to be. But what I see playing out is a multi-trillion-dollar industry getting institutional backing, getting ETFs, and becoming familiarized with households across the United States. And as it does, we are going to see massive gains and massive buys. And as we see these buys roll in, you're going to have all kinds of opportunities. Maybe XRP, Solana, and Bitcoin, Ethereum, these are the larger names out there. Maybe they're a little bit more secure. But you're looking for a higher risk, higher reward play. Something that you can make more than double your money on. You want to make 5, 6, 10x gains. Now, something like Solixi could be one of the best bets to do that. Solixi has already received over $30 million in ICO activity, which is unheard of right now because so many people are so fearful they're unwilling to buy. Yet, they're willing to buy Solixi. Not only do they view this as, meme coin potential, it's got the potential to 5, 10, 20x, they also view it as having utility because it is building a layer 2 solution for the Solana ecosystem. Solana becomes very congested during times of high volume and high traffic. We saw the latest congestion when Donald Trump released his meme coin. You basically had to pay extremely high fees on Solana or you weren't going to make a trade. Solixi is going to take advantage of that. They are building the solution before a lot of people even know the problem exists. So if you're looking at investing early, you've got that link down in the description below. You're going to click on Buy with Crypto or Buy with Card. From there, you're going to connect your wallet. Now, I like to use Best Wallet, and I scan this QR code with the Best Wallet on my phone. If you don't have Best Wallet, there's also a link for that. It's a free download on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. And after you connect your wallet, all you have to do is type in how much you want to buy, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Now, there are additional features for using Best Wallet. You can see your tokens in the wallet without reconnecting to the website and all of that stuff. So please keep that in mind, even though you can't connect any wallet that you would like. Guys, a layer 2 solution, usually these don't do too well during bear markets or during times of congestion or times of consolidation, but they do extremely well during times of congestion and during bull markets, which is why I am beyond excited. Not only about Solixi, not only about Solana, but also XRP and the potential ETF that it could be getting as well. So let me know what you guys think about it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.